Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Well, it's that time. I'm gonna do the giveaway for the Bobby Witt Jr. Onyx autograph card out of 270. Let's see. Let's just set this over here for right now. And I also got my one and only Lonesome silver pack. I don't know why they didn't ship it with the hobby box of chrome, but I don't know. Alright, I think I figured out how to do this. I've already put the URL and filter duplicate users, and I don't know why this thing keeps popping up. Being stupid, it don't want to scroll. Alright, I've already done my little question thing. Get YouTube comments. Let's see what happens. There it goes. Alright, got 9 comments. So scroll down here. We'll hit start and see who wins. Big Chief Sports Cards did a says, congrats on 200 subs, Steve. I always enjoyed watching your videos. You post some amazing cards since I've been subbed to you. I think Chief was probably pretty much my close to, very first subs that I had. I'd love to win that Bobby Witt Jr. card. Very generous of you to give that away. A solid hobby box, nice rookie autos. I really like the Nico Horner negative card. So, all right, Chief. I've put my email address in the video. I think I had your address at one time, but just send me an email. Give me your address again, and I will have this card right here sent out to you. Probably about middle of the week, time I get everything ready. So, all right. Now, let me get this out of the way and open up my big old pack of cards here. I've already opened it up. I kind of figured that's what it was, but all right, there you go. There you have it. I don't know why they, spent the time to, unless these came from, somewhere else, but I think they both come out of Florida. So, all right, let's see what we got. From what I've seen, the majority of them are all, you get like a refractor on the back. And a few cards, but you never know. Alright, got a Joey Gallo, a flipped around Cody Bellinger, that's just a regular. Got a Heart of the City, Rafael Devers, and a Brandon Marsh refractor. Alright, so there you have it. There's my big silver pack. Didn't get anything too big out of it. Got a refractor rookie. And that's it. Alright. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to do another giveaway on my 300. I may skip it to 5 and just go from there. But I appreciate everybody watching. If y'all like this video, hit that like button. Y'all want to subscribe, please do. Big Chief, congratulations. Go ahead and give me an email, and I will have this out as soon as possible. Thank y'all. Bye.